Hi everyone. Hopefully all of you are doing well. Uh, Today is Friday and I am on my home. You can see my bed in my back end. So, however, today I am talking with you a simple phrase which is pros and cons. So this is a powerful phrase or expression. We can use it in many situations, and the pros and cons have two th- two side or 2 point. First, profs is meaning the advantage or the good side of anything, and the cons means the disadvantage or bad side of things. So if we compare anything, then we can use it this phrase like when we make a decision we can use it, or when we review something like phone or laptop we can use it, or when we also when we accept any job or anything whatever, we can use these pros and cons when we think different between good side and bad side of something. Then we can use it this phrase pros and cons. So it's I think it's uh, powerful. Also we can use it in our daily life, and we can improve our English speaking knowledge. So hopefully you can understand the phrase pros and cons, and hopefully you can use it in your daily English speaking. So thank you. Thank you so much. See you the next video, and until then you can stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.